أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Read in the name of thy Lord who created man from a clot. Read, and thy Lord is the most bounteous, who teacheth by the pen, teacheth man that which he knew not. Nay, but verily man is rebellious, that he thinketh himself independent. Lo, unto thy Lord is the return. Hast thou seen him who dissuadeth a slave when he prayeth? Hast thou seen if he relieth on the guidance of Allah, or enjoineth piety? Hast thou seen if he denieth Allah's guidance and is froward? Is he then unaware that Allah seeth? Nay, but if he sees not, we will seize him by the forelock, the lying sinful forelock. Then let him call upon his henchmen. We will call the guards of hell. Nay, obey not thou him, but prostrate thyself and draw near unto Allah.